Why is it that the people who hold on to their money the tightest usually have the least of it? It sounds backwards, but keeping 100% of your paycheck is actually the fastest way to stay broke. Today, we're looking at the circulation principle of wealth. Proverbs 11:25. A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. The nugget: money is like water. It's only living when it's moving. Point 1. The stagnant pond. Think about a pond. When water flows in and out, that pond is clear, full of fish and full of life. But what happens when you dam it up because you're afraid there won't be enough? That water sits. It turns green. It becomes stagnant. Money is exactly the same. When you clog the pipe by refusing to give, your financial mindset starts to rot into fear. Point 2. The cash flow reality. We call it currency because it's meant to have a current. If you're a waitress who is stingy with her energy or a salesman who never shares a lead, the current stops. Generosity is the pump that keeps your financial life from turning into a swamp. Point 3. Breaking the dam. For a college grad or a middle-class family, giving even $10 feels like a loss. But it's actually an investment in your outlook. It proves to your brain that you have enough, and that confidence is what drives you to earn more. Action steps. 1. Start the flow. Give a small, consistent amount, even 5. 2. Find the outlet. Give to something that actually solves a problem. 3. Watch the gauge. Notice how your stress levels drop when you stop hoarding. Summary: money that only serves you stops with you. Generosity isn't about losing money. It's about breaking the dam and getting the flow back into your life. But once you have the flow, how do you keep it from leaking out the bottom? Before I get to that, please share with a family member or loved one who may benefit from our videos or may be facing financial discomfort. In the next video, I'm showing you the anchor mistake that sinks even the best budgets. Like, subscribe, and comment. What's the button one thing that eats your savings every month?